everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to create a chart with conditional formatting in Excel. For example, if you have a weight table of athletes and you want to create a chart to color weights in different ranges, such as greater than 80, less than 50, and between 50 and 80, how could you handle it? To distinguish weights in different ranges in a chart, you can create the chart with conditional formatting in Excel. Add 3 columns right to the source data as it's shown here. For the first column, type the following formula. Use a function, press tab. In the logical test, type if b2 is less than 50, comma, value if true, select cell b2, comma, value if false, insert 0. Close the bracket, press enter. Double click on the first cell to copy the formula to other cells in the column. For the second data range, we will use if with AND function together. So I start with the if function. In the logical test, type AND function, press tab. We use AND function because we want to insert two logicals. The first one is if cell B2 is greater than or equal to 50, comma. For the second logical, we will type if cell B2 is less than or equal to 80, close the bracket, comma, value if true, select cell B2, comma, value if false, insert 0, close the bracket, press enter. Double click on the first cell to copy the formula to other cells in the column. For the last column, we will type if cell B2 is greater than 80, comma, value if true, select cell B2, comma, value if false, insert 0, close the bracket, press enter, and double click on the first cell to copy the formula to all other cells. Please select the name column and the new 3 columns by holding the Control key, and then click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the Insert column or bar chart drop-down list and select Clustered column under the 2D column. And now a chart with conditional formatting is created. You will see that the scores greater than 80 are in gray, and the scores between 50 and 80 are in orange, and the scores less than 50 are showed in blue. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.